Have something cool. So we have a generic script on here. This is a slave drone that has a bunch of functions like get battery, get lat, get long, get altitude, position, all that stuff. This is our configured master drone. So this guy is going to start off sending a command. In this case, he's saying, hey, give me your GPS coordinates, and then once I receive your GPS coordinates, I'm gonna tell you to arm yourself. So let's see what happens. So we initialize the slave and we start the master, and we'll see what happens. So this guy, he'll start waiting to receive. This guy's gonna send the command. He just sent the command, received message to arm, and he's armed.